Hello, my lovely English learners. Welcome back to the English Club, your friendly place to practice English step by step with clear, slow, and fun lessons. This is day 2 of our B1 shadowing practice series, and today we're going to focus on something we all experience: daily routines and building good habits. Shadowing is one of the best methods to improve your English speaking, listening, and fluency. In shadowing, you listen carefully and then repeat what you hear, almost like an echo. The goal is not just to understand the words, but to also copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and natural flow of English. Learn useful B1 level phrases about daily routines. Practice real-life conversations step by step. Build your vocabulary for talking about habits, time, and lifestyle. Improve your confidence in speaking English. So, grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's begin this shadowing session together. Remember, don't just listen, repeat aloud with me. Let's start with some simple but useful sentences about daily life. I will say each one slowly. You repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Sometimes I snooze my alarm and sleep a little longer. I brush my teeth and wash my face before breakfast. For breakfast, I often eat eggs, bread, and fruit. I drink a cup of coffee to start my day. After breakfast, I prepare for work or school. I usually take the bus to the office. My workday begins at 9 a.m. I have a short break in the morning. At lunchtime, I eat with my colleagues. In the afternoon, I continue my tasks and meetings. After work, I like to exercise or go for a walk. In the evening, I cook dinner and relax with my family. Sometimes I watch TV or read a book before bed. I usually go to sleep around 11 p.m. Repeat each sentence clearly. Try to match the intonation and natural flow. Now, let's practice a short conversation between two friends, Anna and Mark, talking about their daily routines and good habits.
Hi, Mark. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. How about you?
Oh, that's early. I usually wake up at 7:30.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I always eat breakfast. I think it's important.
Me too. I usually eat toast and eggs. What about you?
I prefer cereal and fruit. Sometimes I drink green tea.
Sounds healthy. Do you exercise in the morning?
Not in the morning. I usually exercise after work.
Oh, I prefer to exercise before work. It gives me energy.
That's a good idea. Maybe I should try that.
Do you have any habits you want to change?
Yes, I want to use my phone less before bed.
Same here. I want to sleep earlier.
Let's both try to build better habits.
Great idea. Let's do it together.
Now shadow this dialogue. Repeat line by line after me. Imagine you are Anna or Mark, speaking naturally. Let's review some useful B1 vocabulary about routines and habits. Repeat after me. Routine, a regular way of doing things. Example: my morning routine includes exercise and reading. Habit, something you do regularly, often without thinking. Example: brushing your teeth twice a day is a good habit. Productive, being able to do a lot of work or tasks. Example: I feel more productive when I wake up early. Motivation, the reason why you do something. Example: listening to music gives me motivation to exercise. Discipline, the ability to control your actions. Example: it takes discipline to study every day. Repeat each word, and example sentence clearly. Now let's listen to a longer conversation between Lisa and David.
Hi, David. How are your new habits going?
Not bad. I've started waking up earlier.
That's great. Do you feel any different?
Yes, I feel more energetic and I get more done in the morning.
What do you usually do after you wake up?
First, I drink water. Then I do a quick workout for 15 minutes.
Wow, that's impressive. I usually just drink coffee.
Coffee is good too, but I try not to drink too much.
That's smart. I want to start exercising in the morning too.
You should. It helps me stay focused all day.
Do you also meditate or read in the morning?
Sometimes I read for 10 minutes. It's a peaceful way to start the day.
I think I will try that. Right now, I usually check my phone, but it wastes time.
Yes, I used to do that too, but I changed the habit slowly.
How did you change it?
I replaced a bad habit with a good one. Instead of scrolling on my phone, I read a few pages of a book.
That's a smart idea. I will try the same.
What about the evening? Do you have a routine?
Yes, I usually prepare my bag for the next day. Then I watch some TV or read.
Sounds relaxing. I usually stretch before bed. It helps me sleep better.
Oh, I've never tried that. Maybe I should.
Small habits make a big difference. Let's both keep improving step by step.
Yes. Let's support each other.
Great job. Let's review what we practiced today. We learned useful B1 sentences about daily routines. We practiced short and long dialogues about habits. We studied vocabulary like routine, habit, productive, motivation, and discipline. Remember, the best way to improve is to practice every day. Shadow this lesson again tomorrow to get even better. You have completed day 2 of our B1 English shadowing practice series here at the English Club. Today we focused on daily routines and good habits, a topic that connects to all of us. By shadowing, you not only practice listening and speaking, but also learn new vocabulary and expressions you can use right away. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the English Club for more daily shadowing lessons. Comment below, what is one good habit you want to start in your life? Remember, small steps every day lead to big progress in English and in life. In today's practice, you will